Place 2 tablespoons of coffee on a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of hot water and 2 tablespoons of honey. Start whisking the ingredients with your mixer to make it easier, or you can use whisk. But since I don't have mixer, I use whisk. Whisking Dalgona by hand, it may take some time. It's supposed to take 400 to 500 strokes. Thanks to Riona for helping in Sabrio. Keep whisking until it's quite fluffy and change into pale color. Keep whisking. Just keep on whisking until it's quite fluffy and change into pale color, and put it on the top of glass with milk. It's optional. You can use hot or cold milk. My kids love cold drinks, so I chose cold Dalgona. So, put a cube of ice in your cup before pouring the milk to make it icy cold. And then, let's put the whisked coffee on the top. As you can see, I already put whisked coffee on the first cup for my kids to have pattern on how to add the whisked coffee correctly. Making this Dalgona coffee makes my kids test their patience, and I'm so happy that it turns out that they enjoy what they're doing. This coffee trended during quarantine, so some called it quarantine coffee. And here you go. Masete, masete. Halu-haluin nyo lang mga guys.
Hello. Salad.
So, to all mommies out there, it's never too late. Here's another to-do list with your kids during this pandemic. I'm sure your kids will love this. And it's affordable that you don't need to spend a lot of money. So, to all people watching this video, don't forget to like and share. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. God bless! And please make sure to spend your quality time with your loved ones. Bye!